8103. What type of line is normally used in a drawing or blueprint that indicates invisible edges or contours? A. Medium weight short dashes evenly spaced. B. Medium weight very short dashes evenly spaced. C. Thin weight, one long and two short dashes evenly spaced. The correct answer is A. A hidden line, also known as a medium weight dashed line, is used to indicate an edge or item that the observer is not aware of. A discernible outline or object line is created using a medium-sized tine. To indicate a center line, alternate short and long light dashes are utilized. 8105. 1. A detailed drawing is a description of a single part. 2. An assembly drawing is a description of an object made up of two or more parts. Regarding the above statements, A. Only one is true. B. Neither one nor two is true. C. Both one and two are true. The correct answer is C. Statement 1. A detailed drawing is a description of a single part. This means that a detailed drawing provides specific information and specifications about a single part, including its dimensions, tolerances, materials, and other relevant details. Statement 2. An assembly drawing is a description of an object made up of two or more parts. An assembly drawing shows how multiple parts come together to form a complete object or system. It includes information about the relationships between the parts, their relative positions, and how they fit together. 8107. A specific measured distance from the datum or some other point identified by the manufacturer to a point in or on the aircraft is called A. Zone number. B. Reference number. C. Station number. The correct answer is C. A station number is a specific measured distance from the datum or some other point identified by the manufacturer to a point in or on the aircraft. It is commonly used in aviation to identify and locate various components or structures within an aircraft. 8108. Which statement is true regarding an orthographic projection? A. There are always at least two views. B. It could have as many as 8 views. C. 1 view, 2 view, and 3 view drawings are the most common. The correct answer is C. An orthographic projection is a type of technical drawing that represents a three-dimensional object in 2 dimensions. It typically includes at least 2 views, front and side, for example, but can also have 3 or more views depending on the complexity of the object being represented. However, 1 view, 2 view, and 3 view drawings are the most common. 8110. A line used to show an edge which is not visible is A. Phantom line dimension. B. Hidden line center. C. Break line hidden. The correct answer is C. A light line made up of 2 short dashes alternated with a long dash is called a phantom line. A reference component's location is shown by a phantom line. A medium-weight dashed line that depicts a surface or part that is hidden from the view in which it appears is called a hidden line. A break line, which can be either wavy or zigzag in shape, is used to indicate that a component has been broken off and is only partially visible. B. 8110 to 1. What type of drawing line consists of alternating long and short lines? The type of drawing line that consists of alternating long and short lines is hidden.